I had to throw away my ego. Do you guys want to be successful in life? Then guess what? Throw your ego out the door. And why do I say that? Kasi pag mataas ang ego natin and tingin natin alam na natin lahat, unfortunately, hindi ka magiging successful. Most of the successful people that I've studied, they are all student in life. Even people katulad ni Dan Martel, very successful siyang tao, pero until now, meron pa rin siyang coach na nagtuturo sa kanya about business, about things that he wants to improve in his life. So in reality, madaling maging successful in life. Sobrang dali. Ang mahirap is tanggalin natin yung ego natin. Kasi madami sa atin, especially sa mga Pilipino, is I know everything. Na-meet mo na ba yung taong Mr. I know everything? Kahit anong sabihin mo sa kanya, oh, alam ko na yan. Yun yung mga taong close-minded, yung mga taong mataas ang ihi, yung mga taong hindi na matututo. When I started in real estate, I had to throw away my ego. Because kung hindi ko gagawin yon, hindi ako matututo. Kasi papasukin ko ang isang industry na wala akong alam. So, sinabi ko sa sarili ko na kailangan ko matuto at kailangan ko makinig sa mga videos, sa mga taong mas ahead sa akin. And until today, ganun pa rin ang ginagawa ko. Pag nasa isang room ako and if I'm the guy na know everything, or if I'm the guy that is let's say yung nakakaangat ba or yung advanced dun sa mga taong around me, you know what I feel? I feel like I'm in the wrong room kasi hindi ako natututo. But obviously I love to give value back to the people, pero for me as a student, as a competitor, I like to be learning. So when I'm in, networking event, and when I'm in a room full of people, I seek for that person na mas may alam sa akin, na mas successful ang business sa akin, so I could get value, right, from them. So kung gusto mong talaga maging successful in life, yun ang kailangan mong tanggalin sa sarili mo. Tanggalin mo yung attitude na alam ko na lahat. Kahit tinuturuan ka, alam ko na lahat. Tanggalin mo yun sa sarili mo. Be a student always. Kasi there's always a person na much better sa'yo and much successful sa'yo. So kung hindi ka makikinig at hindi mo lalawakan yung isip mo, hindi ka matututo, hindi ka mag-a-advance to the next level kasi nandiyan ka lang at feeling mo kasi alam mo na lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay mo. Nung bata ako, same thing. Akala ko I know everything, right? But once I got, coach and I listened to my coach, then my life turned around and I'm where I am today. And I still seek for that. As I said kanina, I still seek for information and for mentorships, coaches, that will elevate me to the next level. So again, guys, if you want to be successful in life, throw your ego away out the door. That's it for this video. I hope you guys succeed in whatever you guys want to do in life. I'm here as a friend and I'm watching from afar. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.